in cold water and making sure I get into the scalp and to pin it up, and then I'll put like 4 squirts into my hand and rub that in. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, great night. Today I'm going over how I'm caring for my hair to keep it healthy and long. My hair is also very thick, so maybe that's part of your thing, maybe it's not, but either way I will show you what I do to keep my hair super healthy so then I can do hairstyles like this. I can curl all the time. That'll be great. Alright, so before we get to the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know below what you want to see next. Okay, so first thing, whenever I'm washing my hair, I do get blonde highlights, and you kind of see here, I get a lot of like blonde into it. So I use the Blonde Brilliant shampoo. It's a Cool Blondes Lathering Toner. I think it's the same thing I get from Sally's, and this product is amazing for hair. I love using this. It helps. Usually I'll put this in my hair, I'll get my hair wet in the shower, I'll put that on, and then I'll let it sit as I'm like washing the rest of my body off. So it lets it sit, then you get more of that like silvery tone, which I love, and that's a lot of what I do for the shampoo. So I do that, and then every 2 days, for the next 2 days, I will do, I'll use the Dove Daily Moisture Shampoo, and so I'll just use that, so the Dove 2 days, purple, Dove 2 days, and then purple. And then conditioner, I'll use the Daily Moisture conditioner from Dove, the one that goes with the set, and I just put that in after I've done washing. I'll put that into my hair, and then I'll wash my hair in cold water and making sure I get into the scalp and to the ends, so just make sure my hair is cold. And then if I'm cold a little bit after that, then I like to get my rest of my body hot. That's just a separate tip that's not hair. But if you're cold after, you can do that, but don't let it get the water get back. But that just really helped my hair be soft and just stay healthy. I never use a blow dryer. I actually shower every single night and wash my hair every single night, and then I just let it air dry or just dry on my pillow as well. So you can do that. I know some people can go several days out, but for my hair it's worked well, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. But yeah, I never use a blow dryer at all. When I do use heat, so I do straighten my hair and curl it maybe once a week, sometimes more depending on what's going on. I have gone some weeks where I'm like curling it almost every day, but it still stayed pretty soft and nice. So then whenever I put in heat products, I use Silk Element Strength and Silk Coconut Heat Spray with Silk. And this stuff is amazing. I have really thick hair, so I'll first take the top section, pin it up, and then I'll put like 4 squirts into my hand and rub that in, let it down, and then do 1 squirt for the top section. Now if you have thicker or thinner hair, you can do less squirts, so it just depends on your hair thickness and kind of your preference on that too. And then every few weeks, I do want to start doing this once a week. So far it's just been every few weeks. I put a little bit of coconut oil into my hair, maybe not a little bit, but I'll do several different layers, make sure it's moved in. Your hair is going to look gross and nasty, and that's going to happen, but I'll just leave it in for about 20 to 30 minutes and then wash my hair as I normally do, and it's super, super soft. One tip when you're using coconut oil is just make sure that afterwards you get shampoo, like you just really wash it out, because you hate to see that oiliness after it. Some other things I love to use is ponios. They're really good on your hair. They don't pull on it a lot. See, they're just like this. See, you just put your hair into it, and then you clamp it down, and then you twist it, and they're really awesome to use. I can't put all my hair into these. I know if your hair is thin enough you can. My hair is too thick, so I don't, but I put up in little ponytails a lot. Another tip is I never put a ponytail in my hair. I will braid it. If I need to put it up, I'll braid it some sort, and that's how I put my hair up. One, I hate ponytails and they've always given me headaches, but 2, it's just really bad on your hair because it just kinks it up, and then you have a lot of like break-offs, and so I just braid my hair a lot and have it down. So this is probably like, I use a lot of these a little elastic, so a lot for different hairstyles. But a tip when you're using these is do not pull your hair out. Don't just yank it out. Get a pair of these fingernail clippers and clip them out, and it's a lot better on your hair, and it's not going to be like pulling or yanking it out. It's a lot healthier if you do it that way than pulling it. Do not pull, please don't. That will break it off and you'll have like little short hairs. Don't, please don't. For your own sanity, please. The brush I use is a normal brush, got it from Walmart, no biggie. But also, whenever my hair is wet, I do not use that brush. I always make sure to use a pit comb so it doesn't pull on it or yank, and this does just a really good job. Just keep your hair nice and soft, especially when it's wet. So sometimes even when it is dry, I'll use it just depending on the different hairstyles, but it's great. So get yourself a pit comb. Again, they're at Walmart. A lot of times too, instead of putting in a ponytail or doing something when I'm just getting my makeup on or need to pull it back, is I just use this little clip. You can see I've broken it. I need some new ones. But using a clip, just pulling it back works really well instead of pulling on your hair. But yeah, guys, this is a few tips on what I do on my hair. Hopefully they help. If you guys use any of these products or do anything, send me a picture message on Instagram or let me know below, and I'd love to be able to feature you on my Instagram. But I hope if you want more tips like this, let me know below. Give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe, and I'll put doing more videos for you soon. Hope you have a great day, great night. Bye, love you.